Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to turn on or off camera macro flash on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you'll have to do is go to camera application on your Samsung Galaxy A02. Here in camera, okay, you can see the option below. You'll have to do is select the macro. Here in macro, okay, on the top, you can see the flash icon. Okay, the flash icon is off. To turn on the macro flash, you'll have to do is tap the macro flash icon. And that's it. We have successfully turned on the flash or macro flash on your Samsung Galaxy A02. And to turn up again, you'll have to do is tap again the flash icon to turn off. Okay, that's it. Okay, we have successfully turned on or off camera macro flash on Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.